I just found an AI video creation software that lets us create our AI influencer out of nowhere. So we can create the AI influencer and put her on or him on TikTok, Instagram, and then get all the views and do all the monetization without having to show our face and without having to be real. Wow. So hear about all the things. Hey, you can create your own AI influencer. So I tried it and it seems like it's working. Let me do a deep dive. I'll show you what software I use and see how the quality is. And then you be the judge for yourself. Let's jump right in. And the good thing about this software compared to other softwares that I've looked at is inexpensive, and there's an option where there's no monthly fee. We'll jump into all that stuff at the end, so make sure you watch this video to the end to get all the details. So let's check out what it can do and see the image quality. Check this out, guys. Look at this image quality. So you can create, I've created all these, and I'll show you how to do them. All these images here. Look at that. These look real. These look absolutely real. So they started off small here, and then you can upscale them to bigger ones here. But look at this. Some of these, like this chick here, this girl here looks kind of fake, but you know, all the girls nowadays, they put the filters and stuff on, whatever. But this looks real, really real. Very nice. I mean, that I can't tell the difference if that was a real person or not in any case. But look at this. That's pretty good right there. And that's good. You can see all the way. Let's just zoom all the way in. Look at that. You can see freckles. You can see her freckles and everything. Her hair, the strands of hair. This is pretty dang good right here. And guys, it will do adult pictures also, so you can use these to go to Fanvue or some site like that, and I'll leave a link to all this stuff in the description below. And of course I can't show you the adult pictures here, but check this out. This is pretty cool. I'm going to upload the Indian princess one here. Look at these. These look really good. I mean, can you distinguish this from a real person? I don't know if I could. If you told me, probably that one, but like I said, these filters these days, you know, that looks real. So I'm going to upload this one, these pictures here, and that looks really good. I wonder if you zoom in, they even got the thing on the head right there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That is really nice. And I'll show you how to create these with the prompts and everything. And the good thing about this software is, look at that, all the way down to, and then I did one with fur coats here. So I'll show you where I got this picture from. These, I'll show you how I generated these pictures. And look at this. This is really nice, right? These are really nice looking pictures here. Now some of them look super real and some don't, but there's different models like the Nova Flux, that's what I've used, and then the photorealism. You can play around with those. The Dream Studio is like, you know, animations and stuff, but I think the two good ones, photorealism and Nova 2024 Flux. So you can see here the quality of these pictures. Quality looks really good. I mean, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Honest opinions. Let me download these. And you don't even need to know the prompts, what to type, what would you like to draw, right? Because it will give you, if you come over here and go into the gallery, this is how I got all these pictures, right? Go into the gallery, scroll down until you see an image that you want to see. Okay, like this girl here or this girl here, any of these, and I'll show you what I did. I just scrolled down, and then you can take pictures off the internet and you can modify those. These weird ones, I didn't do anything weird. I mean, you can make YouTube channels with those type of pictures too. I'm focusing today's video on the Instagram influencer, and as you can see that they've got a whole bunch of different ones. here's our Indian princess here. So click on this, right? And it will tell you the text to use, the prompt. So you just copy this, just click on the copy, and it says copy to clipboard, and it will tell you, let's see here, will it tell you, sometimes it tells you a negative prompt also, but not in this particular case. So you take that, right, it will give you this rectangular box. So you want to move this over here, and make sure that this box right here is moved away from any of the others, because it will just copy right over. Then you just paste this into this what would you like to draw box here. Paste that in there. Negative prompt, they didn't give any, but I'll leave this here. You can get a snapshot of that. And then just click here, and it just takes a few, it doesn't even take long, it takes probably 20 seconds or so until it fills that. And this is a live canvas, so you can move it around anywhere. So let's zoom Artbox. Okay, so there we go. So you click on zoom Artbox, it'll go right to it, to the Artbox. Let's zoom this in. Look at that. That is really nice, huh? That's really nice. So you can go into the gallery, find other pictures and stuff. That's what I did with the Snow White one. Did I show you the Snow White one? The Snow White one is pretty cool. Check these pictures out. I mean, these look absolutely like real people. At least most of them, right? I mean, this right here, I mean, I do not, in my eyes, I cannot detect. I mean, if some girl got photoshopped and you can see the shards of glass, look how clean that is. Hey, look at that, the shards of glass that you can see. And I'm going to produce like 10 of them. And I'll upload them to my YouTube channel. Alright, so here's the YouTube channel that I created with these, and I'll leave links in here in the description below. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. You'll see I've got 6 subscribers just now, right as of now, but you can follow the journey and see how it leads. So I've been uploading lots of shorts. I mean, it's pretty fast to do, as well as on the Instagram as well. I've got more followers there. I've got 40 followers. Just create a profile on the phone, just upload the images. These images here I got from a different software, but it's the same idea. I'm going to start uploading these from the ArtSpace. Oh yeah, check this out. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty dang good, I would say. Yeah, look at that. Winter coat fashion, something like that. You know, just highlight the coat on the Instagram. And then, let's see here. Did I do all those? And then of course, there's the adults. I can't show you that here. The modern day Snow White, I think I showed you already. Let's look at this. Yeah, pretty good. Look at that. Wow. These are awesome pictures. Look at that. The Indian princess. Yeah. These are all generated. These here are all generated from the ArtSpace. So make sure you take a look at the link. Look at that. That is nice, huh? You can even see the hair coming down across her chest there. And we'll jump right in right here. I'll show you my affiliate link real quick and show you what the packages are and stuff. Alright, so follow my link below and you'll get to this page, and it will tell you all the different things. And I'll do more tutorials and stuff if you want me to. Leave a comment below if you want me to do more tutorials. It says it can do great hands. Let's see, it can write now. You can type what you want. You can select the image size. And then you get the picture in seconds, just like you saw. You can extend the images easily. Professional 4K upscaling. You got your AI models there that we talked about. Benefits, unlimited usage, no daily restrictions. Infinite canvas, like I showed you can move it around. Private gallery, updates. So here's the as of right now, 3/16/2025, and it might not last very long, but this is the one time, you know, pay once, use forever, no monthly charges ever. Here's the deal, right? They also got monthly plans, but you know, this is the one this is the one I picked. You get the 1,000 images every month, and you only pay once, $127 once. But you can do the 87 or the 57, right? If you want 250 images every month, you just pay one time, pay once, use forever. I don't know how they do that, but I'm sure that's not going to last very long. But click on the link below, you can see all that stuff. And I think that this right here, 1,000, so this is how I determined how much I needed. If I was going to upload, say, 3 times a day, I'm not, but let's say I would. I was going to upload 3 times a day, right? And it takes 10 pictures for each video. I'm going to string them in. So 1,000, here's 1,000 high quality image every month. So let's do 1,000 every month, 30. So I get 33 images per day that I can do. So if I do 3 posts with 10 pictures, that's 30 right there. Boom. So that's how I came up with this package. But you know, you do more, you do less, whatever. Based on your needs. So far so good. It looks like a good deal. Tell me what you guys think about the images, and I'll leave links, like I said, in the description below on my YouTube, my Instagram, my TikTok, and follow the journey, see how it's going, see what I upload, see what I don't. Leave me comments on this. Tell me what you guys think. I'll also leave a link in the description on the Fanvue page, which is, you know, the adult version of this, where people can come and they can sign up for your adult pictures, right? So they sign up for the monthly fee, that kind of thing. So monetization there as well. Of course, you got to tell people that it's AI and that kind of thing, but you know, whatever, that's fine. But I just wanted to share with you guys on the cool AI software that I found that will enable us to be able to create our Instagram accounts, create our avatars, create our influencers the way we want, and be able to hopefully monetize. Anyways, like this if you like this kind of stuff. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and make sure you watch one of these videos here, and I'll see you there.